Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Olayemi. Today I would love to share with you this artwork, and actually it's my first time sharing with you how to craft your cucumber into rolls and how to make different shape of cucumber. So today come along with me, let me show you how I'm going to make this. And if you've not liked my video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be the first to know every time I upload a new video. And do not forget to share our recipe with your loved ones. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer any of your questions, and remember to share our recipe with your loved ones. Let's go straight in preparing this. I have cucumber with me, so I'm going to cut the tip. Actually, I'm going to need the head later, so that's why I'm not going to remove it from the cutting board. So I'm going to dice this into different into round shape and very flat. So come along with me as I'm going to take you step by step on how I make this. And do not forget to watch this video to the end, and do not forget to share with your loved ones. We are going to make the round hole that we are going to put our diced cucumber, and meanwhile we are going to use this shape to make the rolls where we are going to put our rolls. So I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to remove the middle of the cucumber. Actually, I don't really need it. You can as well throw that off, or you can as well eat it. Actually, I'm going to eat it. I'm not going to throw it off. I don't like wasting my food. So I'm going to remove the middle. So because I'm only going to need just the part of that's the skin part of the cucumber, so I'm going to remove the middle. So I'm going to be careful when you are doing this, and you should be very careful with your knife when you are doing this, when you are removing the middle. So I'm going to pull it out. So I'm going to push it out, and I'm going to do the same thing to the others. So now after we are done with this, I'm going to go straight in rolling my rolls. Actually, so if you've not liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be the first to know every time I upload a new video. And remember to share my recipe with your loved ones. Actually, I have so many recipes, enjoy recipe, and so many recipes that you can as well check out on my channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So I'm going to place this in lines, in queues. So I'm going to start rolling it. After I roll it, I'm going to start folding it to make a rolls. Actually, that's how to make your rolls, and it's very simple once you get the technique. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to lay it after the other. Actually, do not forget to hit the like button on this video. It means so much to me, and you want to make me do more of this recipe. So I'm going to start rolling this. You can as well use toothpick to all your rolls, but actually I'm going to use cucumber to do everything. I'm not going to use toothpick. This recipe I'm only using cucumber to make this craft. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'm going to roll this. Actually, I didn't do the video very well, so I'm sorry that I didn't have the opportunity to see what I'm doing. I'm just going to roll it and make sure everything is well formed together. Then we are going to proceed to the other step by putting it inside the other skin of cucumber that I already cut into rounds. So I'm just going to paste inside, and that is all. You can see a release come out beautiful. You can as well use toothpick to hold your rolls. Now let's go straight to the other design. If you've not liked, do not forget to hit the like button on this video, and remember to share it with your loved ones and your friends. And remember to subscribe to our channel. Let's encourage me to do more.
Thanks everyone for watching. I guess I will see you on my next recipe, and please be safe out today. Do not forget to check out of my recipe like chin chin recipe and chicken pepper soup and puff recipe. I have so many recipes on fried rice and plantain and fried egg. Do not forget to check that out too.